Hi, welcome to Data Center Daily by MSP TV, your monthly bulletin about data center world. Yes, you heard it right. Now Data Center Daily will be monthly and not weekly. Hi, I am Nitin Manwani, Sales Head MSPL Group. Pandemic has affected businesses around the world and we are no different. So rather being inconsistent like in the past months, we have shifted our focus on being consistent and bring you the right information every month. So let's get started. First, highlights. India Data Center Market Investment Analysis Report 2021-2026 featuring major players and new entrants such as Adani, Bridge Data Centers, Cold DCS, Equinix, Mantra Data Centers and Princeton Digital. Mumbai's data center capacity to grow 2.65 times to 529 megawatts by 2023. NTT Corporation joined hands with Tokyo Century for India data center business. Delhi NCR data center capacity to grow by 2.2 times to 89 megawatt by 2023 JLL. India Data Center Market Investment Analysis Report 2021-2026. The India data center market size will witness investments of $8 billion by 2026. India is one of the developing data center markets in the APEC region. The data center market includes around 23 unique third-party data center service providers operating around 80 facilities. The country has several on-premise or dedicated data centers owned by local enterprises. Key highlights of the report. The deployment of 5G networks is likely to boost the digital economy and enhance high bandwidth networking infrastructure demand. 1 gigabyte switches are likely to be replaced by 10 gigabyte or 25 gigabyte switches among on-premise data centers during the forecast period. Due to COVID-19 impact, the demand for flash arrays that offer high storage performance is likely to grow significantly. Cloud service providers, BFSI sectors, retail and e-commerce, manufacturing and professional services are the leading revenue contributors to the Indian server market. The adoption of VRLA batteries is likely to decline slowly due to the growing acceptance of lithium-ion batteries increases during the forecast period. Adopting medium and high voltage switchgear is high in over 100 megawatt data centers whereas low voltage switchgears is more likely to be adopted in modular data centers. The increasing demand for edge facilities will lead to the adoption of high bandwidth switches and wireless equipment. The number of OCP ready data center spaces will continue to grow as several cloud-based and internet-based service providers are considering adopting OCP architecture-based IT infrastructure systems, which are likely to increase the adoption of 48U racks. Data center capacity in the country's financial capital, Mumbai is likely to grow 2.65 times to 529 megawatt by 2023, according to a report by global real estate services firm JLL India's arm. The city is expected to add 330 megawatt in the next 2 years and Navi Mumbai is expected to account for 83% of these additions in the Mumbai region. NTT Corporation on 16 June Wednesday said it will improve its investment efficiency as part of its aim to further expand its data center business and join hands with Tokyo Century Corporation in India's data center business. Elaborating the transaction details, an official statement said NTT Global Data Centers Holding Asia Pte Limited will divest 75% of its shares in NTT Global Data Centers Holding Asia Bomb 8 Pte Limited to Tokyo Century and will jointly own the data centers asset currently held by NTT Global Data Centers Holding Bomb 8 Private Limited, a 100% subsidiary of the Special Purpose Vehicle. Delhi NCR is expected to emerge as a new data center hotspot as demand from government department and IT and enabled services are expected to drive further growth. A report by JLL titled 2020 India Data Center Market Update has said. As the data center landscape continues to evolve, the industry is expected to grow exponentially to reach 1007 megawatt by 2023 from its existing capacity of 447 megawatt. Well, that is it for this episode of Data Center Daily by MSP TV. And before I wrap up this episode, I would like to inform you that our most popular D4 Data Center series is going to start soon. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about the series. This episode was brought to you by our mspwebstore.com. Do visit our store for power backup solutions and also for the accessories related to the data centers. Thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Nitin signing off. See you.